He always call me Kitty, Kitty, Kitty. He thinks I'm scared. He's not letting me to eat this fluffy, tasty cake. Krithish! Okay. Where are you, Krithish? I'm coming, Krishanth. What, Krishanth? What, Krithish? Where were you? I was calling you for so long. I was studying, Krishanth. But... Hey, dude. I know very well about you. Did you, Tati? I won't believe you. Go, go, go. Hey, Krishanth, I'm a topper of my class. Okay, okay. I don't want to fight with you. Okay, why did you call me for so long? The cakes are gone. Mama made 12 this morning. That's only I ate. If he finds me, that's it. He will swallow me. Okay, Krithish, manage. My mama made 12 this morning. Hey, Krithish! Don't that? Really, I don't know, bro. Maybe they evaporated. Maybe. I think he believed my words. Silly guy. How the cake will evaporate. Then what that on your mouth, bro? Oh my gosh! I think he found me. I only ate those cakes. Bro, this is powder, bro. Powder? When Mama finds you, she's going to throw the book at you. Oh, what kind of book? Like a math book? These things are heavy. Hey bro, tell mommy to throw all my school books. It's very hard to study, please. Hey bro, did you forget that people thought that you are the topper? Don't you know the meaning of to throw the book at you? Yes, I know. Mommy is going to throw all my books. I'm happy. Krithish, don't you know throw the book at you meaning? Not throw the book at you, bro.
Throw the book at you means to punish someone as severely as possible.
Oh, is this the meaning of this sentence? But why should I care for that? You better confirm before you find the rubber in your tie train. How do you know about the tie dryer? Are you spying on me? Mommy, tell her, yeah? How much should I have to go, my bro? Okay. You are acting God. I am filming this for my future blackmate. Thanks for watching Krishanth and Krithish. Like and subscribe. Bye.
Like, share, and subscribe.